Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to reduce noise to your video using CapCut. Please subscribe if you didn't and let's get started. First open your CapCut and then click here on new project. Then choose the video, this one, and then click here add, and then from here I'll just click here on edit. And after that, I will scroll on left and click where it's written reduce noise here. And then I'll just have to click on this button to turn it on. And after that, I'll just click this tick and that's it. So this is how to reduce noise to your video using CapCut. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you're new, be sure to subscribe and I'll see you guys next time.